This is an 11-inch folding step stool, and I was sent this by the brand in exchange for an honest review. And this is a great step stool to use. You can use this for elders, you can use this for your kids, and it's super easy to transport as well because it does have this handle here. All you have to do is pull it and you're able to just hold on to it. Super easy to store as well. And what I really love about this step stool is the fact that you can kind of like lock these legs. So if I press this button right here, I can easily lift this up and it's like locked into place. I can't move it unless I press this button and I push it down. And that's for all 4 of the legs. So you just make sure that it's not going to slip. It's not going to go anywhere, especially if you have small kids who are using this step stool. This is a fairly large platform. It is about 16 by 12 inches and the maximum weight is 300 pounds. I like the fact that it has like these ridges right here, so it holds everything in place. So if you're stepping on it, you know that you're not going to fall. And on the bottom here, you can see that it has like these grippers, so you know you're not going to slip and fall once you have it on the floor and on the ground. But this is great to just get a couple of inches to do whatever work you want to do, or if you just can't reach and you have kids who are trying to use the sink or something, this is a great addition, a great tool to have, and I highly recommend it.